शुरू करें?
यस मैम।
गो अहेड।
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। नमस्कार, मैं वैशाली आसी महाराष्ट्र के भंडारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट के छोटे से गांव विदर्भ काशी पवनी से हूँ। मैं प्रोफेशनली कैबिन क्रू स्टूडेंट हूँ। मुझे सिंगिंग दिल से पसंद है, क्योंकि सिंगिंग मुझे हमेशा ही हैप्पी एंड पॉजिटिव पर्सन फील कराता है। मैं सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड, डिटर्मिनेंट एंड कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन हूँ। मैं अपने जुनून को मेहनत से हासिल करने में विश्वास रखती हूँ। मेरा फॉरएवर मिस इंडिया 2021 में पार्टिसिपेट करने का एक ही मोटिव है कि जैसे मैं सुमन राव से इंस्पायर हुई, वैसे ही मेरे जैसे छोटे से गांव की लड़कियां भी खुद के लिए डिसीजन लेकर खुद पे भरोसा करके आगे बढ़े एंड खुद का बेस्ट वर्जन बनाए। अगर आप खुद पे भरोसा करेंगे तो दुनिया आप पे भरोसा करेगी। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है, तू चल, तेरे वजूद को समय को भी तलाश है। धन्यवाद।
I can see the motivational speaker in Anamika smiling from the heart, listening people talk about their best versions.
Yeah.
So next would be Swati. Hi Swati ji.
Good afternoon. Good
शुरू करें?
afternoon.
जी।
Good afternoon everyone. मानूंगी ना हार, मुझे है फतेह का जुनून। एक नक्षत्र, एक प्रभावशाली स्टार, स्वाति। माय नेम इज स्वाति भार्गव। मैं नवाबों के शहर लखनऊ से हूँ। FSIA ने मुझे चमकने का एक सुनहरा मौका दिया है। आई एम डोमेस्टिक इंजीनियर एंड बिजनेस वुमेन। I fixed everything in the house. That's why I call myself domestic engineer. Creativity is in my genes. लाइफ एक मौका जरूर देगी और मैं उसे अपनी कड़ी मेहनत से जरूर अचीव करूंगी, ये मेरा बिलीव है। लाइफ में मेरा एक पर्पस है कि मैं लेडीज एंड गर्ल्स को जो आगे बढ़ना तो चाहती हैं बट नहीं बढ़ पाती हैं किसी रीजन से, मैं उन्हें इंडिपेंडेंट बनाने और उनके सपने पूरे करने में उनकी हेल्प करना चाहती हूँ और मुझे उससे बहुत खुशी मिलती है। थैंक यू। क्रिएटिविटी मैं कुछ करती रहती हूँ। ये मैक्रोमी का मैंने वॉल हैंगिंग बनाया है, उसी के पैटर्न पे मैंने ये ईयर रिंग बनाया है जो इस तरह से तैयार किया जाता है थ्रेड से, और इसको ये तैयार होके इस तरह से ये आया। ऐसे ही ये नेट से मैंने, नेट का क्लॉथ है जो ट्रायंगल कट करके ऐसे ईयर रिंग्स बनाई है। ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाला नेट है क्लॉथ का, और ये जीन्स के क्लॉथ का सेट बनाया हुआ है इयररिंग्स। और वो ऐसे ही मैं क्रिएटिविटी से लेडीज को इंडिपेंडेंट बना सकती हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much. Thank you Swati. Moving ahead to Jyoti. Hi Jyoti.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Jyoti Kapila. मैं एक समाज सेविका हूँ और 50 साल की हूँ, और मैं अपने टैलेंट में आपको अपना डांस दिखाना चाहती हूँ।
ज्योति आप म्यूट पे हैं, आपका म्यूजिक नहीं सुन पा रहे हम। Thank you so much, Jyoti ji. Moving ahead, we have Heer. Hi, Heer.
Good afternoon, everyone. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. एक तुम एक मैं तीजा मांगू क्या खुदा से दिल दूं जादू क्या दूं इतना बता दे तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है सांसों से भी नाजुक तुम सा हम सा दो जहां न होगा न हुआ ये दो दिल जाए सीने में जैसे मैं और तुम हम दोनों हम एक जीने में है जैसे मैं और तुम जैसे ज्यादा चाहा तुमको भी हर गम हर पल तुमको जिया Good afternoon, jury members and my dear friends. I am here, Soni, from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. I am an enterprising woman who is confident and responsible. Also, I am a very passionate teacher who is being awarded by our former HR Minister, Dr. Smriti Zubin Irani, for excellence in education. My aim of joining FSIA is to get a platform where I can join my hands with some mindful people who will help me in supporting the society and nature because I believe we take a lot from them. And at last, I want to say that I'm a very passionate dancer. I'm very passionate about singing, acting, and modeling. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, Heer. Thank you. So our last participant so far from the list would be Rani. Hi, Rani. Can we hear from you?
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I am Rani
शुरू
Gupta
करें?
from Patna, Bihar.
जी जी बोलिए
मैं
बोलिए।
गाना सुनाना चाहती हूँ। ऐसे तो मैं गरीब बच्चों को टीचिंग करती हूँ, पर मुझे शौक है गाना गाने और डांस करने का और सम टाइम एक्टिंग करने का भी। मैं मिसेस बिहार से भी पार्टिसिपेंट की और टाइटल जीती थी। अभी मैं कुछ गाकर सुनाना चाहती हूँ। सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सुंदरम सुंदरम, सत्य ही शिव है, शिव ही सुंदरम, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम। मैम नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं डांस करके भी दिखाऊंगी, पर अभी पॉसिबल नहीं है, घर में थोड़ा फर्नीचर का काम चल रहा है।
Okay, thank you so much, Rani. Thank you. Moving forward, there's Oppo A3s, the one who have recently entered. Can I please have your name because आपका device name show हो रहा है?
Yeah, my name is Priyanshi Singh from New Delhi.
Priyanshi.
Can you
All
hear me?
right. Okay, Priyanshi, you can go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I need to introduce. Okay. Good afternoon, judges. I'm Priyanshi Singh from New Delhi. I have done my graduation in English literature, and currently I'm working as a healthcare professional in a hospital. Besides that, I do freelance acting and modeling. During my spare time, being a fun-loving, kind, hardworking, and sincere person. I'm working since 8 years. That is since the age of from the age of 18. And as a 25 years old, I already feel like this confident, independent, and self-sufficient lady. And I am also a responsible citizen of society. Apart from that, I have worked for many pageants earlier. I have won many competitions also. I have previously I have won WTR Miss Sweet Face of India 2020 award and Models Fellow for Most Photogenic Face of the Year award. And as a literature graduate, I have also done professional writing. And in the past for 3 years, I am a part of non-profit organization who finds the best talent in the country and give them national platforms such as reality shows. And they say your experience makes you. So today, whoever and whatever I am is because I dared to step out of my comfort zone and follow my dreams. And I'm grateful towards my journey till now. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanshi. Thank you. Kirti ma'am, can we ask the team to check on Ishika and Pooja because they did join initially, but I don't know if they lost connection or if they will be rejoining.
In the meanwhile, Harry, I just want to say something to all the participants. Virtual high five to all of you, first of all. You all are doing great, amazing, super. And what you're doing is not an easy thing to do. स्टेज पर आकर के बोलना इट्स नॉट दैट इजी. आपको टेक्नोलॉजी को देखना है, आपका ऑडियो वीडियो, आपके आसपास जो लोग, बिकॉज इट्स वर्चुअल. आपके घर में आकर आपका ये टैलेंट राउंड हो रहा है, तो वी आर इन योर हाउसेस, तो आपके घर में आप हमें अलाउ कर रहे हो, बाकी सबको बोल रहे हो अभी रूम से बाहर रखो. ये सब चीजें जो आप कर रहे हो, इट रियली इज रियली कमेंडेबल. एंड जो आप यहाँ परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे हो, डोंट थिंक दैट दिस इज योर बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस. ये आपकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी है, लेकिन आप ऐसा इससे अपने आप को मत जज करना. वी आर जजिंग यू बिकॉज इज अ प्रोसेस, बट आप अपने आप को इस परफॉर्मेंस के उससे नहीं जज करना, बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस इज, जो हम परफॉर्म फियर के साथ, स्टेज फियर के साथ करते हैं, जब हमारा फाइनल टर्न आता है, हम उससे कहीं बेटर करते हैं जब हम अकेले बाथरूम में होते हैं मिरर के सामने. जब हमारी प्रैक्टिस 10 on 10 होती है, तब हमारा स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस 8 on 10, 9 on 10, 7 on 10 होता है. तो आप लोग अपनी प्रैक्टिस जो भी आप करते हो उसमें करते रहिए, एंड इस परफॉर्मेंस से अपने आप को कभी मत जज करना, बिकॉज ऑफन we are good but we are able to deliver only 80%, 90%, 70% of us. जो 30%, 20%, 10% नहीं डिलीवर किया, उस पर वर्क करना, और इसके अकॉर्डिंगली अपने आप को जज मत करना. यू आर डूइंग amazing. I really love all of you. The songs, the dance, the paintings, the crochet work, everything is amazing, and all of you are really great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Anamika. That was indeed lovely. Thank you so much. I can see the participants smiling and back to square one, with that same positivity. Kirti ma'am, is there an update or shall we proceed?
Yes, so the team is not able to connect with them, so we can probably take the update tomorrow. Yes.
So thank you so much, jury members, and I'll just request Kirti ma'am. Anamika has already done her part, but Kirti ma'am and Shraddha to, give us some parting words. So over to you, Kirti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Harry, first of all, and secondly, let me just compliment each one of you. Congratulations, you all are looking astonishingly beautiful today. And Anamika has already said that this might not be your best performance till date, but I can see your progress because I have met each one of you in your audition. And if you were here during that audition, you are here today. That means you've made a progress. And when I say here your competition is not going to be with someone else. It's going to be with your own self. So if you're making a progress, that means you are growing, and that's what this platform is for. There is only one thing I would want to add: be unapologetically you. Do not try and pretend to be someone else, please, because when you're raw, we can actually find that out, right? But when you're talking about your passion and it's actually your passion, it drips from your face. It actually shows when you're talking about it, right? So most of you, when you were talking, we could feel your vibe. We could feel it that, yes, this is your passion. You love to dance. You love to sing. So, it's not like ab acha ga rahe ho, bura ga rahe ho. Do not apologize for that. That's what you love, right? So this is what you have, virtually. When we will be taking your rounds, this is your talent round 1. This is what we know. You only have 90 seconds. So get the best out of these 90 seconds. In 90 seconds में आपको क्या दिखाना है, किस बारे में बात करनी है, कितना creative आप हो सकते हो. That's what we want from your side, right? All the best for your further rounds, and congratulations once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. And I would request Shraddha to say some wisdom parting words. Over to you, Shraddha.
Thank you so much, Harry, to give me this honor to speak here. I would completely agree with Anamika ji and Kirti ji. Hello to all. And dear participants, yes, make this in your notice that whatever the other juries have explained to you, that is completely true. आप लोग कभी किसी से कम नहीं हो सकते, because नारी शक्ति कभी नहीं हारती. Am I right? So never quit with your smile. Why are you not smiling? Are you afraid that what will be the judgment and what all will be the marks we are going to give? Are you afraid of that? Don't be, because what you can do, no one can do. So आप लोगों ने सभी ने बहुत अच्छा perform किया है. So don't let yourself down. But yes, we want to see 360-degree change in you till the end of the day. So never stop your practice. So keep doing it that. And again, don't lose your smile, because that is the only weapon you have. You can kill the stage with your smile, because that is the only thing we have to carry to the end. So once you lose your smile, yes, then we will definitely deduct your marks. So don't lose your smile. And yes, I do understand with the due to turn of events with the COVID and with the things happening with you all in your personal life, I totally understand with that. And still you all are participating and performing this much. That is completely commendable and appreciable. And I really wish you all the best. And we really want to see 360-degree change. So keep working hard. All the very best to you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shraddha. Thank you so much, jury members. It was lovely having you guys on board, and we shall take your leave. I will just have a word with the participants.
Certainly. Have a great day, everyone. Have a great day, Anamika ji and Kirti ji.
Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye, everyone.
All right, ladies, that was indeed wonderful. I had a lot of fun hearing you out. Okay, yeah, you can breathe. हो गया खत्म. First round complete हो चुका है. So coming to the technical part of it, marks will be updated on your profile on the website within the span of 7 to 10 days. So do not panic कि personally inform किया जाएगा. आपकी profile पे ही marks update किए जाएंगे. And you just keep checking on the profile so that you are aware. Otherwise, you won't be missing out on any information. And you did exceedingly well. I'm actually very, very proud of each one of you. Thank you so much. And it was wonderful, wonderful, hearing to all of you. Are there any questions that I need to deal with? कोई confusion है आप लोगों को? बाकी जैसे कि मैंने कहा, yes, Priyanshi.
Well, actually, I have joined during the last part, so there is something left for me to do. I mean,
No, that is वो आप ही का time था, and that is not an issue. Don't worry about that. And coming to इसके बाद आपकी जो second training जो शुरू होगी second round के लिए, that is also going to be scheduled within 10 to 15 days. So just be very patient, ठीक है? and yeah, you will receive the information in due time and just start working for the second round. Ye round chala gaya, now it's gone, past, done with. Breathe it down and start working harder for the second one. You know the tiny details of it, ki photography ke related kuch karna hai, makeup ke related. Make sure that you are prepared. आपको अब cycle पता है how we are going to go about it, right? जैसे हमने first round किया वैसे we'll move about it second round में भी. So just start preparing yourself अपनी तरफ से भी, so that when the makeup artist come, आप लोग एकदम blank ना हो. When the influencer comes, आप लोग blank ना हो. You should have the right questions. Confusion की बजाय prepare yourself इतना कि आपको basics पता हो, so that you can put forward good smart questions which will actually help you. Because क्या होता है जब आप unprepared होते हो, आप बहुत simple questions पूछ लेते हो और actual confusion आती है जब आप practically वो चीजें implement करते हो. So try working that way out. जैसे आप जब आपने introduction actually करके बैठना शुरू किया होगा, आपके दिमाग में 100 सवाल और आए होंगे. That is how it works. जब हम actually चीजें करके देखते हैं, so know how photography works for you, how makeup works for you. Know your things, know your own personality enough so that when the trainer comes on board, you are also prepared. So I hope that clears out everything, and thank you so much for your time, and I shall see you in the next training session. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.